Ready? Start. The word computer was originally used to describe any machine which computed, comma, or calculated, comma, the answer to a numerical problem. Full point. Today, the word is used to mean an electronic computer, comma, a machine which relies on the movement of electrons rather than on the movement of gear wheels as in the early computers. Full point. Mechanical adding machines do their work with gears turned by hand or by electricity. Full point. They make long calculations accurately, comma, but they can work no faster than their operators can feed them with numbers. Full point. It was an English mathematician, comma, Charles Babbage, comma, who first realized that a really useful calculating machine would need to store inside itself a list of the sums to be done. Full point. It could then complete one sum and go on to the next without waiting for an operator to press buttons or turn handles. Full point. Charles designed his analytical engine in 1833, but it was never finished, comma, because the engineers of the time could not make the devices he needed. Full point. In the 1940s, these problems began to be solved by scientists in Britain and the United States, with new methods based on electronics. Full point, paragraph change. Modern electronic computers are able to add together to very large numbers in less than 1 millionth of a second. Full point, electronics circuits use tiny integrated circuits, containing many transistors and other electronic parts to add, subtract, multiply multiply and divide numbers, one after another. Full point, a program of instructions is fed into the machine. Full point, it tells which numbers to add, subtract and multiply, and in which order to do these sums. Full point, today, most large computers are doing data processing work, where the handling of alphabetical information is more important than actual counting of numbers. Full point, to understand how computers work, we need to think about numbers and exactly what they mean. Full point, when we see the number 3276, we immediately know that it means 3000, 276. Full point, the 3 tells us the number of thousands, the 2 tells us the number of hundreds, the 7 tells us the number of tens, and the 6 is the number of ones, or units. Full point, because we learned at school that the figure at the right hand end of the number gives the units, comma, the next figure the tens, and so on, comma. We can use our 10 digits to write down any number, comma, no matter how large, full point, stop.